Hello to doctor. My name is Kaniswar Ramachandra, metric number 271465. I will presenting about the introduction. Product quality dimension is introduced by David A. Gervin. The manager of a furniture manufacturer should consider these dimensions such as performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aestheticity, and preserve quality for their strategy analysis to improve their product quality. The manager wants to produce furniture that can fulfill the specific requirement, needs, wants, specification, and expectation of a standard or a customer. There are eight product quality dimensions. The first one is performance. This describes the main characteristic of the product. Generally, if the performance is equal to the overall expectation or exceed them, your product will be considered of high quality. However, if the performance rating falls below the customer expectation, your quality rating will suffer. The second one is feature. This dimension involve all of the additional feature of the product that supplement the basic functioning of the product. This is usually what provide an additional dimension of appeal to the customer. The third one is reliability. This is how well you can depend on the performance of the product. If the item have variability in its performance and you cannot reliable depend on it, it is not of high quality. If the product and the overall company performance consistently meet expectation, then it is considered of high quality. The fourth one is conformance. This describes how well the product meet the design specification and any industry standard and requirements. During the product design process, the specification are established along with the tolerant deviation. Durability. This is the product performance over time. A durable product is of high quality when its performance does not decrease as it's being used. Customers are typically more inclined to pay more attention on the product that will last them a long time. Next is surveyability. This is how well your organization is able to handle survey related issues such as customer complaints or product repairs. This can also include the ease of repair of the product, which can be a determinant in whether the customer will buy the product or not. Seven dimension is aestheticity. Aestheticity and style choice are not universal, so it will be impossible to meet everyone's expectation for this dimension of quality. This is because it involves the characteristic of the product that are related to its appearance, feel, smells, or taste. The last dimension is perceived quality. This is how the customer perceives the standard of quality of the product. An important note here is that perception is not always the same as quality, and the reputation of a company can greatly affect how the quality of the dimension are perceived.
My name is Jiang Jie and my milestone board is 278361. Today I will talk about the 8 dimension of quality. The first dimension is performance. Performance refers to a product essential functioning component. For example, a car, acceleration, handling, cruising speed, and comfort are all considered part of a car performance. So we suggest the furniture manager to take the product quality into consideration. For example, as a business owner, you should aware that asking for warranty or a lease payment after the product has been delivered to the warehouse is far more essential than addressing or resolving quality issues before the product left the manufacturer. The second dimension is feature. Features are usually the secondary aspect of performance. The build and vista of product and service, those qualities that supplement their basic functioning. We suggest the furniture manager to pay attention to personnel of the customer. We take one example, which is furniture work. Take a great pleasure in their intensive design that meet all customers' style needs and seamless integrate into your house. As their current furniture is being manufactured, they also invite the customer to accompany them in the workshop so they may observe the intensive process involved in furniture design and manufacturing and follow development of their order. This is the feature of furniture work.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Swada, number 2800845. Proceed for the third product quality dimension, which is reliability. It's indicate that the potentials of a product could be defect or break in a period of time. So let's say in this case, the furniture manager should test a product for multiple purpose and checking if a singular product made is fulfill all the requirement needed and it can resolve different problems. By applying the product testing, It will help the manufacturer prevent any further setback or any modification that will demand a higher cost in the future. So we can conclude that these dimensions of reliability helps the furniture manager to understand the advantage of standardizations of our products, because as a downtime and maintenance costs rise, the customer often place a greater importance on reliability. The fourth product quality dimension, which is conformance. While conformance is a product that complies with its standardizations for the designs and performance, because it's associated with other aspects of quality. Let's say in this case, the product manager will compromise any damage that covers warranty fees, one-time clients, additional issue because of the poor performance of a products. So the furniture manager can contrast these losses with two different perceptions. One is the straightforward solutions, and the second one is the far from the objective solution. So out of these two most typical indicator of non-conformance for product managers and furniture manufacturers are the incidence of service call once a product has reached the customer and rate the production defects.
My name is Chong Lishan, and I'm going to present about the next dimension, that's durability. The amount of used product can withstand before degrading it, known as its durability. A physical product's durability refers to its capacity to continue functioning without frequently needed maintenance or repairs. It is more difficult to estimate durability when the product is repairable. The object will be used until doing so becomes uneconomical. The manager of furniture should be aware that it's far less expensive to fix or rework quality concerns before the items leave the factory than it is to request a warranty or a replacement after the goods have arrived at the warehouse. It will cost more money and time to fix and maintain a low quality product. The furniture should be created from carefully picked materials to avoid that. Furniture inspections may lower risk, enhance furniture quality, and assist in controlling the number of raw material utilized to product the completed goods. Assembly, finish, color, design, packing, labeling, and marking should all be inspected. The next dimension is serviceability. The ease with which a product may be maintained or repaired referred to as serviceability. It relates to how easy it is to have a product repaired, how dependable the service is on the product, and how quick the service is. The client's primary concern is not whether the goods can be repaired, but how happy the consumer is with the company's complaint handling methods. As for furniture managers, they must make sure that the majority of the items are flat picked and make it to fit readily in customers' cars. When shopping at the furniture stores, consumer has various delivery choices to pick from it if they would rather have their purchases delivered. Buyers have 365 days to return an item for a full refund if they are not completely happy with their purchase, along with proof of purchase.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Halim. My name is Normai Sarah binti Muhammad Noor. My matrix number is 277428 and I will be explaining the last two quality dimensions. I will start with aesthetic. Aesthetic is a subjective quality component. A product's appearance, feel, sound, flavor, or aroma are subjective judgments and expressions of personal choice. Basically, it touches the overall appearance of a product. It may be tough to please everyone on this level of quality. In fact, this aspect of quality was the primary motivation behind the development of the marketing concept of ideal points, which are those combinations of product features that excellently suit the preferences of a particular buyer. Some individuals believe that an attractive product is one of high quality. When choosing a restaurant to eat at, A client can select the one with delectable food or gorgeously designed automobile model, since a product with a better looking design is thought to be a higher quality. Flaws or faults in a product that damage its aesthetic features are typically grounds for rejection, even when they do not influence or deteriorate other aspects of quality. Based on the manufacturer of a furniture product, the furniture manager must ensure that aesthetic quality is applied in the production of the product. Aesthetic quality must have a company trademark so that customers can know the product is the product of that company. Furniture managers can take an example through the world famous company, which is IKEA. IKEA takes aesthetic value as one of their main focuses. Most IKEA furniture takes a minimalist point of view, creating added value that builds customer loyalty to their product. The arrangement of furniture in the store has an impact on the customer. An attractive arrangement method is an arrangement that can attract the customer's attention at first glance. So, the furniture manager should ensure that the aesthetic value meets the desired criteria based on the customer market that the company has selected while in the process of market segmentation. IKEA has their own interior designers, and this gives a high advantage to them. This is because the arrangement of furniture based on a room meets the aesthetic aspects required in the product quality dimension. So, the furniture manager must ensure that the product presentation can attract customer through the first glance. Now, I will be explaining the last product quality dimensions, which is perceived quality. Quality perceptions can be just as unpredictable as aesthetic evaluations. Consumers commonly rely on indirect measurements when comparing brands because they don't always know all of a product's qualities. Because customers may not always have in-depth knowledge of a product's or service features, they may rely solely on indirect measurements when comparing brands. One must often infer information about a product's durability from a range of observable and intangible aspects because it is uncommon to be able to do so. In these situations, a product's evaluation will be influenced more by its branding, promotion, and imagery than by its actual properties. Hence, it is all about the customer's perception and company's reputation. Furniture managers must ensure that their perceived quality is maintained because perceived quality starts with view. The view, touch, and use of the products is very important and should be one of the main factors of the manager when producing a product. Through the view, the customer can assess whether the product is of high quality or not. In turn, through touch, the customer will strengthen their confidence in the quality of the product. Finally, its usefulness such as durability of the product that makes customer interested in buying and owning the product. For example, we can see the differences from two big companies, mainly IKEA and HomePro. The customer's top choice for a friend to buy furniture must be from IKEA. This is because IKEA has a good name in the field of furniture and has proven that their products are very high quality with various R&D done for a product. For customers who have financial constraints especially, will choose Home Pro as a place to buy furniture products, but their quality is not comparable to IKEA. Based on this, it can be concluded that perceived quality is important because it is the main factor to attract customers through first glance, even though it is subjective quality. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
As in the conclusion, we can see the benefit gained by the furniture manager after applying the eight product quality dimension. The first one is increased certification of consumer. Customers are some of the people that benefit greatly from having high quality process in manufacturing of the furniture. The consumer get better quality product and are more satisfied with their purchases. This indirectly benefit the manager as their reputation will improve and they likely to maintain the loyalty of their customer. Next benefit is reduced cost of production. While some may think that having high quality of furniture costs more, it can actually reduce the overall cost of the furniture production. This is because the manager will save money on scrap and rework as well as utilize their resources more effectively once their analysis on the product processes is being done. Furthermore, it also can improve employee morale. When people talk about the benefit of having quality furniture, they often mention the end consumer. However, employees can also be considered a types of internal consumer. This is because when they receive the furniture of high quality from upstream processes, they will have fewer difficulty performance their tasks. In addition, improving the processes and reduce the need for rework will ensure that the production operation are running smoothly. The last benefit is increased sales. Customers are attracted to the furniture of high quality. They are more likely to purchase from a company that they trust to having high performance, durable, and reliable products.